Hey, what up fam, welcome back to another episode on the channel. Today the G35 will be getting some love. With that being said, guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. It's a huge goal, but let's make it happen. Oh damn, I'm just realizing I'm looking at the front to see if any of the bumper is damaged or whatnot, but look! A rock chipped the grill of my car already. And right here, I mean, this is the front. It's bound to get chipped as hell, but damn. Sometimes just don't even look at the front of your car. Like, just don't even look at it. Don't bother. So a lot of you guys have been saying, why isn't the G35 been getting any love? Well, if you guys don't know, if you guys follow me on any other platform like Instagram or TikTok, you know that for the past 2-3 weeks, it's been raining like crazy here in Sacramento. And I have a vented hood, and I know some people say you guys drive fine in the rain and nothing happens to your car. But honestly, it was raining super hard. I don't want my intake of my supercharger to just soak up and the car soak up all the water. It's just a recipe for disaster. And plus, I don't want to be driving this in the rain. It's slip nation. Like, this thing has zero grip in the rain, so covered it and just called it days. But anyways, the sunny days are back now, so we're gonna go ahead and uncover this, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what the issue is with this G35 right now. Alright guys, so I'll tell you guys the issue with the G35. Honestly, I feel like I really replaced them already, but they already busted. What? Basically, I'm talking about the ball joints of my G35. You'll hear the sound right now. If you guys have this sound, it could be a sign that you have the same problem as I do. And also, let's start my G35. It didn't start yesterday for the first time, but that's because I didn't move it in like 3 years. But like, hopefully it should turn on this time. These doors, man, they never stay. So I don't know if you guys can still hear me, but basically when I turn the wheel, you'll hear this mad creaking. It sounds super ugly. And so I was like, man, why is it creaking? Honestly, I feel like it did it like 20 days after I installed the brand new bushings on that. I feel like it did it. So I don't know if it was already ripped since then, but take a listen. Can you guys hear it?
I love it. I love it. This is the heart of the channel right here, bruh. I wasn't paying attention.
So we just took off the wheel, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly where the ball joint is and how it's busted. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and higher the exposure here for you guys, lower it a little bit. Can you guys see right there? This is the ball joint right here. See how it's all busted? Let me higher it up actually. Yeah, look at that, all ripped. And so the metal, I feel like it's just clacking with the metal, which is making that creaking noise. But while we were down here, we also discovered that our, I don't know if this is the end tie rod. This one's also busted. There's a lot of grease coming out, so that needs to be replaced as well. We don't have to replace everything. I think you can just order this last part right here, and then you can just replace that. But that seems like a pretty easy fix, not gonna lie. That looks like a pretty easy fix.
So we'll have to order that part. We can't do it in today's video because I just realized it right now. But we're gonna do these right now. So here are the ball joints. So here's the ball joint, and then it comes with the little cone hat, and then the O-ring with the pin. What the hell? How you do it? No tenía ni grasa. No. I'm doing acrobatics at this point. Two busted ball joints out of there. I don't know why I don't want to jinx it. I want to feel like these are gonna rip in like 2 months tops. All right, guys, we just got done. It is nighttime, as you guys can see. We got done a little bit late, but it's all right. Is it gonna creak? I don't know if you guys will hear it, but I'll let you know right now if I hear it. Alright, so like I said, the sound is reduced, but I can still hear it a little bit. So it must be something else. So the ball joint it helped it, and the car does feel a little better. The steering does feel a little bit better. But obviously, I guess that wasn't the main component because it's still doing it. Not crazy how it was, but it's still doing it a little bit. Maybe the car is just old. I don't know. Maybe the frame is bad. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna do too many pulls because it's raining and so the floor is slippery. This car's like initial torque in second gear is ridiculous, man. It feels super good. Brakes activate like I'm some kind of transformer. So that's the end of that video. We're over here with the buddy Jeff, but I'll catch you guys next episode. We'll try to shoot some more content with the G35. It is a little cloudy, but I think the sun's coming out later this week, so it'll be super mint weather for the G35. We did get the check engine light on again on the Z. Nothing wrong with the car, it's just that, you know, it has full downpipe, so that's what that light is on for. We are getting our catback exhaust being built right now, so that should be getting shipped to us pretty soon. I'm super excited. Hopefully we can open up the engine on the Nissan Z. Man, this thing's way too quiet. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. We're trying to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I'd really appreciate it if you guys can help. Catch you guys next video. Peace.